Okay. The ratio of the sums of m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Then show that the ratio of mth and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Yeah. Okay. So take your solution. Here they given a ratio of sum of m and n terms means Sm divided by Sn is equal to m square divided by n square. The ratio m square is to n square. Therefore, Sm upon Sn is equal to m square by n square. Then Sm is m upon 2n into 2a plus m minus 1 into dn whole divided by Sn is n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into dn. Then this is equal to m square divided by n square. n square upon n square. Then here left hand side 2 and 2 get cancels here. Okay. And left side in the numerator m is there, and right hand side m square. You can cancel m and 1m cancels. Left side here in the denominator, right side n square is there. You cancel this n and 1n here. Therefore 2a upon 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by, so 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m divided by n. Then the cross multiplier, take this n on this side here and this term that side, cross multiplier. So n into, so right here n into bracket 2a plus m minus 1 into dn, bracket complete, that is equal to, then m into 2a plus n minus 1 into dn, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now take n inside the bracket here and m inside the bracket, therefore 2a into n here plus n into m minus 1 here into d here, that is equal to m into 2am, then plus here m into n minus 1 into d here. Okay, take here m inside here, m into 2 is this one here, m into n minus 1 into d here. Now take this 2am left side here and this term right hand side. Yes, 2an, take this term left side here, minus of 2am here, that is equal to, then m into n minus 1, m into n minus 1 into d. Take this term right hand side here, minus of n into m minus 1 into d. Then here 2 is the common factor here, so write 2 outside here. In bracket n minus m, so right here n minus of m is equal to, then here d common factor here, so m into n minus 1, m into n minus 1 minus n into m minus 1, minus of n into m minus 1, and d is the common factor here, so write d outside here. Okay, therefore 2a into n minus m here is equal to, m into n becomes mn here, m into minus 1 is a minus of m, minus n into m, minus of mn, minus into minus becomes a plus n into d. Then plus mn and minus mn get cancels here. Yes, so 2a into bracket n minus m, is equal to n minus m into dn. Then this n minus m and n minus m get cancels here. Yes, so 2a is equal to dn. 2a is equal to d. Okay. Next, find here the ratio of m and nth term here. Therefore, Tm divided by Tn is equal to, okay, ratio of m and nth terms here. Tm upon Tn equal to, Tm is given by a plus m minus 1 into d divided by Tn is a plus n minus 1 into dn. Therefore, this is equal to, right here a plus m minus 1 here into d is that, but d is equal to what here? 2a. So use the here. So right here 2a divided by, even here also a plus n minus 1 into 2a. Just replace the divide 2a. In the numerator a is the common factor, denominator a is the common factor here. That's a common factor 1 plus m minus 1 into 2a divided by, again a common factor here 1 plus n minus 1 into 2a. Then this a and this a cancels here. Therefore, this is equal to 1 plus, take a 2 inside of bracket here, 2m minus of 1 into 2 becomes 2m divided by, even denominator 1 plus 2 into n becomes 2m minus of 2m. Therefore, 2m right as it is here, 1 minus 2 becomes a minus 1, and 2n right as it is 1 minus 2 becomes a minus of 1 here. Therefore, here tm upon tn is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 here. 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Therefore, you can write like this here. Tm is to tn is equal to 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus of 1. So this is the required result here. The ratio of m and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. So if the sum of n terms of an AB is 3n square plus 5n and its nth term is 164, find the value of m here. Therefore, here the given sum of n terms here. Take a solution. Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n here. Okay. Take result number 1 here. Then sum to n minus 1 term here. S of n minus 1 here. S of n minus 1 means just replace n by n minus 1 here. So 3 into n minus 1 it's a square here plus 5 into n minus of 1 here. Okay. So yes, n minus 1 means the sum of n minus 1 term means just replace n by n minus 1 here. Therefore, this is equal to 3 into n minus 1 square is n square here minus 2n plus 1 here. Then take a 5 inside a bracket here. 5 into n becomes 5n minus of 5 here. Therefore, this is equal to 3n square here. 3 2s are 6 minus 6n. 3 1s are 3 here. Then plus 5n minus 5 here. Therefore, this is equal to 3n square here. Minus 6n plus 5n becomes a minus of n. 3 minus 5 gives minus 2 here. Take result number 2 here. Okay. Therefore, Tn is given by, so Tn is equal to Sn minus of Sn minus 1 here. Okay, Tn, this is a formula, just remember that. Nth term is given by sum to n term minus sum to n minus 1 terms here. Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn is this here. So 3n square plus 5n here. Then minus of n minus 1 is this here. So 3n square minus of n minus 2n. Take a minus inside the bracket here. So 3n square plus 5n minus of 3n square plus n here and plus 2. Plus 3n square and minus 3n square get cancels here. Then 5n plus n becomes 6n here. So 6n plus 2. 6n plus 2n. Okay, therefore nth term is 6n plus 2. Then replace n by m here. Put n equal to m. Put n is equal to m here. Hence Tm is equal to 6m plus 2. Because they given here mth term here. They given mth term 164. Therefore Tm is 164 is equal to 6m plus 2m. Because given Tm is equal to 164. They already given it mth term. Therefore just replace n by m here. Then take it to left side here. 164 minus 2 becomes 162 is equal to 6m. Then 162 divided by 6 is equal to m here. Therefore m is equal to 6 1 are 6 2 are 12 here. Then 6 7 are 42. Therefore 27 is the answer here. Therefore find the value of m. Hence m value is 27 here. So insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an APN. Therefore let A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 be 5 numbers between 8 and 26 here. These are the 5 numbers between 8 and 26. Therefore 8 comma A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, comma 26 are in APN. They are in APN. They are already given here. They are in APN. Therefore, first term is 8 here. Therefore, A is equal to 8. And here this last term is 26 here. L is equal to 26. And the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. N is equal to 7. Number of terms 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Okay. First term is 8. Last term 26. Number of terms are 7 here. We know that so L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into dn. This is the formula. L value is 26 here is equal to A value is 8 then plus 7 minus 1 into dn. Then take it left hand side here. 26 minus of 8 is equal to 7 minus 1 becomes 6 here. 6 into dn. Then 26 minus 8 becomes 18 here is equal to 6d. Hence 18 divided by 6 is equal to dr. Yes, d value is 3r. Therefore, common difference is 3. Okay. So here a1 is the second term here. Okay. Therefore, a1 is equal to a plus dr. It is the second term because you know the general form of an APR. So a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on here. They are in APR. Hence the second term is a plus d. So a1 is equal to a plus d. A value is 8 here. So therefore 8 plus d value is 3. So write here 3 here. Then 8 plus 3 becomes 11 here. So a1 is equal to 11. Then a2. So a2 is equal to a plus 2d here. A plus 2d. Therefore 8 plus 2 into 3 here. Therefore 8 plus 3 2s are 6. Then 8 plus 6 it becomes 14 here. It is a 14. It is a 14 here. Then a3. A plus 3d here. So 8 plus 2 into a plus 3 into not 2 here, 3 into d here. 3 into 3. Hence 8 plus 3 3 is 9 here. 8 plus 9 17 here. So it is 17. Then a4 is a plus 4 into d here. So a value is 8 here. Then 4 into 3. Hence 8 plus 4 is 12 here. 12 plus 8 becomes 20. Then a5. A plus 5 into d here. Hence 8 plus 5 into 3. 8 plus 5 is 15 here. That is equal to 23 here. 23 plus 3 becomes 26. Therefore 26 here. Therefore these are the required numbers between 8 and 26 here. Therefore 11, 14, 17, then 20, then 23 are 5 numbers between 8 and 26 here. 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. The resulting sequence is an AP. Okay, just observe here. So first term is 8 here. So 8. Second term is 11. Next 14. Then 17. Then 20. Then 23. And the last term is 26 here. Therefore, their numbers are in AP. 11 minus 8 is 3. 14 minus 7 is 3. 17 minus 14 is 3. Therefore, the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant, the same here. Hence, the numbers are in AP. Therefore, these are the 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. This is the solution.